Hi everyone, my name is Corey. I'm on the SkinCeuticals education team, and today we're talking all about the award-winning C E Ferulic. C E Ferulic is a daytime vitamin C antioxidant serum, so you only need to use it once daily during your morning routine. It should be the first product that you apply to clean, dry skin. You want to go ahead and take about 3 to 5 drops into the palm of your hand. I like to massage it into the palm of my hand and then press it onto my skin, blend it outwards, and then do a final press. You can then follow with the rest of your SkinCeuticals routine and always end with your favorite SkinCeuticals sunscreen. So what does this mean? This means that this formula is not only going to help to neutralize free radicals that damage our skin, but it's also going to help to correct visible signs of aging while brightening and evening the skin's complexion. It's going to help to firm, produce healthy collagen and elastin production, and help with those fine lines and wrinkles. Another common question is, how long is my C E Ferulic good for? Well, this formula has been tested and proven to remain stable and effective for up to 36 months unopened and up to 6 months once opened. But if you use it daily as directed, 3 to 5 drops every single morning, as you should, you're going to use it within 3 months. And probably the most common question of all is, how long is it going to take me to see results? Your environmental protection is immediate, but those visible results can take about 12 weeks or so, but everybody's different. You can expect to see results such as a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, increased firmness in the skin, and even a brighter and more even complexion. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You can shop C E Ferulic and the rest of SkinCeuticals anti-aging formulas at lovelyskin.com.